I received these sneaker racers by FTI Brands and I'm excited to try it out. They also come in different quantities. So this is what they look like. They are pre-moistened. So there's notches here to open it up. Now, if it becomes dry, you can always add extra water and it reactivates it. And this is what it looks like. It has an orange side and a white side. And they are pretty moistened, so let's just check it out. Now, what they say is to use the white side and brush it against your shoes. Then we're going to use this orange side to take away the residue. Now, here are my shoes. So we are going to leave one of them dirty, like how it normally is, and then this other one we're going to clean. So let's check it out. So you just rub it. Oh, wow. I'm already noticing a difference. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to keep cleaning all of it. I am truly impressed with how nice and clean it's getting it. You can get it into these notches and grooves. Beautiful. Do you see how nice and clean it's getting it? Wow, look at how dirty my shoes were. You know, even though it is white and kind of clean looking, but you really start noticing the difference once you're cleaning it. And these start disintegrating. So you may notice some little flecks coming off, kind of like an eraser. So just like when you use an eraser on paper and you notice the little flecks of eraser that comes off, that's kind of like what's happening. So I guess that's why they call it the sneaker eraser, right? So here it is. I'm getting truly impressed. Now let's try the orange side and take off the residue. I am really impressed with how clean it really is getting my shoes. And as they said, once it starts drying out, you can reactivate it by getting it wet in the water. But I think I'm good for this on this side. So here it is. Wow, do you see the difference in the white compared to my other shoe? And then here is the tip. And then here is this clean side versus the other. And here is the back. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. So here's a close-up of what my shoe looked like. This is the before and this is the after. You really notice the difference. And here is the tips of my shoes. And here is the inside. Wow, I am so impressed. This works fantastic. Pretty impressive, right? And I love that you can just take these on the go with you. And you can just put in your purse or your backpack or leave some in your car. And that way you can use it whenever you need to. But I'm really impressed with this. Now it's time for me to clean this other one and to do all my other shoes in my closet. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.